Hello. So I want to measure weight of the display body. So before directly measure the weight of this body, you have to confirm whether you have applied solid density to this body or not. Or you have to just apply the solid density to this body. To checking the solid density or applying the solid density, just type assign solid density in command finder. Select edit solid density. Suppose for example, I am putting 7.8306. Actually, this is the default density by adding by NX. Okay, then just select the body and you click OK. After applying solid density, just go to the analysis, select measure. In measure, come on, objective measure, select object. Then here in filter, you have to select solid body. Then select directly solid body. You get the value of the mass. Suppose you want in a list format, notes format, just here select show result in the information window and click OK. Now you get the values in information tablet. Now you can copy this value and paste wherever you want. Okay, thank you.